It's time to sculpt your shoulders and pump up those biceps. Hi everyone, it's Reed and welcome back to Atlantis Fitness and Pilates. As always, timestamps will be in the description below, and if you're enjoying this challenge so far, be sure to subscribe for more. Now, let's get started. Welcome to your day 3 workout. For today, our focus is going to be on your back, arms, and shoulders. All that you'll need is your Pilates Reformer. Let's first get started by putting on 3 red springs. And then we're going to come to seated, facing the top of the reformer. Legs nice and long through those shoulder blocks. We'll reach forward and grab your straps, crossing them over so that you have your left strap in your right hand and your right strap in your left hand. Then I want you to sit up nice and tall. Think about bracing those abs the entire time so that we're keeping our rib cage centered over our pelvis. And we're starting with our lat rowing. So on your exhale, you're going to pull back palm up to about waist height. Then palm down as you reach forward. One more. And reach forward. From there, we're gonna go down and spring, taking off one red and putting on the blue. So it should be on 2 reds and 1 blue. Again, handles will be crossed. This time, palm down, thumbs toward your shoulders, elbows nice and wide, working up into the back of the shoulders or the rear deltoids here. Last one. And reach forward. Good. Little break as we change our spring. Going back up to your 3 reds. Give those shoulders a little roll, head a little wiggle side to side. We're going to again take about 30 seconds break in between each set. So every set is going to consist of your lat row and then your delt row, then a 30-second break. We've got right at about 10 seconds left. So again, cross those handles. As you pull back, think about driving those elbows back as far as you can. Ready? Big inhale. And exhale, drive those elbows back. Last one, and reach forward. Again, we're gonna go down in our spring to 2 reds and 1 blue. Again, handles crossed. This time, palm down, thumbs to shoulders, elbows nice and wide. One more. And reach forward. All right, so again, let's go ahead and change our spring during our break. Back up to your 3 reds. And this time, as we go into that delt row, be mindful of your wrists. A lot of times I see people bending their wrist and kind of pointing their elbow down like this. You want to keep that wrist and elbow roughly at the same height. So again, that is for our delt row. We're going back into our lat row first. One more deep inhale here. And on that exhale, we'll start round 3. One more. And reach forward, good. Again, roll those shoulders for a quick moment as we switch our spring down to 2 reds and 1 blue. All right, so palm down, again, being mindful of that wrist as we pull back. Last one, and reach forward, good. Let's uncross your straps, put them down onto their pegs for a moment, give those shoulders a little roll, and we're gonna go down and spring now to 1 red, or you may try like a red and a yellow spring. That's what I'm gonna go to here. We're going into a little bit of arm and shoulder work here. So we're gonna grab both straps, this time in their proper hands. We're coming into bicep curls first. So I want your elbows up again at roughly about chest height. Nice tall spine, keeping the rib cage right over the pelvis. Slowly curl those handles in and resist as you reach forward. One more here. And reach forward, good. Give those shoulders a little roll. We're gonna go down to 1 red if you're not already there. And we're going into a straight arm delt press. So palms facing back right out to the edges of the reformer. Get a nice tall spine. Big exhale as you press behind you. One more. And reach forward, good. Roll those shoulders, little wiggle the head. We're gonna go down and spring again. Let's go to 1 blue spring now. And again, we're gonna cross our straps over. We're gonna go into a reverse delt fly. So I want palms facing each other, thumbs up to the ceiling. Again, nice tall spine. We're gonna open those arms out nice and wide here, and then reach forward. One more. and reach forward. Good. Roll those shoulders. Again, a little break here. We'll go ahead and go back up to our one red. Or if you're on a red and yellow, you could do red and yellow. And we have about 15 seconds left in this break. Be mindful when you're doing those bicep curls that we're not dropping or lifting our elbows. We're keeping them right in front of the shoulders as we curl in and out. So let's go ahead and grab those straps again. Elbows up when you're ready. Nice, slow and controlled, doing those bicep curls. One more. And reach forward. Good. Again, roll the shoulders for a moment. Quick little wiggle of the head side to side. We're going into that straight arm delt press now. Nice tall spine again. And big exhale as you press behind yourself. Last one. And reach forward again. Put those handles down for a quick second. We're going down to one blue. And we're going into that reverse fly. So again, straps crossed over left and right, right and left. Thumbs up to the ceiling when you're ready. Big exhale as we open out. Last one, and reach forward. All right, so let's put those straps down. Again, give those shoulders a little roll. We have a little 30-second break before we go into our final series here. We're gonna go back up and spring to 2 reds. And we're gonna come to seated, facing the top of the reformer. We're going back into some rowing, but we're gonna go single arm only. So I want you to grab your left strap, bring it over to your right hand. Left hand is going to rest on your belly. I'm going to pull back, palm up like we were doing, but we're adding a twist. You're going to pull back, palm up, big twist, looking over that right shoulder, palm down as you reach forward. One more. And reach forward. Excellent. Let's switch sides. We're going to take that right strap over to your left hand. Right hand on the belly. Same thing. We're pulling back, palm up, big twist, looking over that shoulder. Last one, and reach forward. All right, so we're gonna go down in our spring now to one red and one blue. And again, we're gonna grab that left strap, bring it back over to your right hand. This time we're doing that palm down row, working into the back of our shoulder more. So palm down, thumb to shoulder, and again, add that twist, and then reach forward. One more. And reach forward, good. And we'll switch sides. Right strap over to your left hand, right hand on the belly, same thing, palm down, thumb to shoulder, big twist. One more. And reach forward, good. Give those shoulders a little shake out, head a little wiggle side to side, and that is it. Now, if you're ready to move on to day 4 of the challenge, click on this playlist here. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like and a subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Just keep moving, y'all. Bye for now.